I'm Gerald. I currently work at Bentley Motors as a Digital Technology Solutions degree apprentice. An apprenticeship is a way to work full-time for an employer while studying for qualifications at the same time. I work 4 days in the office at Bentley, and my 1 day outside the office is at Manchester Metropolitan University, and I'm studying towards a Digital and Technology Solutions degree apprenticeship.
I'm Holly Proudfoot and I am an electrical test planning engineer. So it's an apprenticeship I started 8 years ago, and it's a combination of electrical and mechanical rectification. So as part of that we did a BTEC in engineering, and we did an IMI in motor vehicle repair and diagnostics. Doing that led me into becoming an automotive electrician at Bentley, so I was fixing and testing cars on our production line, and then became a team leader in that area. So now I'm actually creating the tests that I was running when I was an apprentice. That's what an apprenticeship's about. You learn that whilst you're earning, and the thought of that kind of pulled me in as well.
I'm Zach and I'm a degree apprentice in the design for manufacturing team. So what I do here is I get involved in the projects from 4 years in advance, ahead of its production schedule. It is really fun to get involved in the servicing design team. You get to see aspects that not even everyone in the whole business gets to see. And it's a proud moment when you've worked on something 4 years ahead of its production to see it going down the line, and then when it's finally launched. So I took the option of going to university, where I did a course in design for engineering. So I did that for 1 year, and then saw an opportunity to apply to Bentley Motors as a degree apprenticeship, where I thought I can get 4 years learning, 4 years education, and then I can combine that together to hopefully get a job I would like.
I love cars. I've always had a passion for it since I was younger. Every time I come to the office, my office is quite far from the car park, so it gives me a 10-minute walk, and that 10-minute walk doesn't get boring at all. Just seeing all the new cars, the new specifications. So when I first started, I was new to the IT systems and everything, so I got that help and support from other apprentices, as well as my manager and also other key people in the business as well.
When I started, I was kind of 1 in 10 females, but ever since then, every year, there's been a new female mechatronic apprentice, and you see more and more around the production areas, in manufacturing, everywhere from mech to electrical testing, electrical engineering, so many more females that we see, and progressing through the business, which is amazing. And we're also doing a lot of outreach to encourage young aspiring females to join Bentley, which is something I'm really passionate about.